Hello, today I will show you how to make peanut butter blossoms. It is a delicious peanut butter cookie and is fun and really easy to make. So let's begin by looking at the ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, a half cup of shortening, a half cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and a bag of Hershey's Milk Chocolate Kisses. Before you get started, you need to wash your hands. It is extremely important to wash your hands before working with food because it makes sure no bacteria gets on or into the food. Now you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Next, we are going to mix our ingredients together. So, grab a large bowl and put in your flour, your sugar, your brown sugar, your baking soda, your salt, your peanut butter, your shortening, your milk, your vanilla extract, and your egg. Now you are going to mix together those ingredients with an electric mixer until a dough forms. Now prepare a couple of baking sheets with parchment paper and have out a little bowl filled with sugar. Take some of your dough, roll it in between your hands until it forms about a 1-inch ball, roll it in the sugar, and place it on the baking sheet. Each ball should be about 2 inches apart. I fit about 12 cookies on each sheet with a total of 3 baking sheets. Place your cookies into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. While waiting for your cookies to bake, take your Hershey Kisses and begin unwrapping them until you have the same number of kisses to cookies that you are making. By this point, there should be a couple minutes left on your cookies, so when they are finished, take them out of the oven. Now firmly place the unwrapped Hershey Kisses in the center of each cookie and let the cookies cool for about 2 to 3 minutes before placing them on a cooling rack. Once those 2 to 3 minutes are up, place them on a cooling rack and let them completely cool for about 1 hour. And that's all. They're super easy to make and definitely a childhood favorite of mine. Around Christmas time, you could even decorate them with little Christmas trees with icing and sprinkles. I hope you enjoyed and have fun.